You're watching How Leap. Let's add a cover photo to your X, formerly Twitter, account. Open the X app or go to twitter.com on a browser. Go to your profile by tapping your profile icon and selecting your profile name. On your profile page, you will see a large blank area or your current header at the top. Tap the camera icon or add photo on this header. Choose Upload Photo to select an image from your device's gallery. The recommended dimensions are 1500 by 500 pixels. After selecting your image, you can adjust the cropping and positioning. Tap Apply to set the crop. Finally, tap Save to upload the cover photo to your profile. The new image will be visible immediately. On the web, the process is the same. Click Edit Profile on your profile page. Click the camera icon on the header, upload, adjust, and save. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.